everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to be unboxing the March Glossybox, and...
Did you get that early?
No.
Oh, it's like the 25th or something.
It is. It's late in the month.
Yeah. Okay.
But that's okay.
You'll just have another one pretty soon.
Yeah, I mean everything's a little backed up because of this
Yes.
coronavirus.
Yes.
Well, yeah, let's open it up and see what we have inside. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so here's our box, and as per usual, we've got a wine voucher, and we've got the HelloFresh coupon, and then here's our actual box.
What's in the box? In the box.
Every time, babe, every time. So here's our March box. This comes every month, and you know, I kind of enjoy getting it. So the theme is All Eyes on Me. When I step into the club, all eyes. I don't know. I think it's...
The packaging is very nice. Yeah.
Packaging. Alright, let's get into it. Although I'm not looking, as always. Jason, don't tell me.
Yeah.
That's what's in our box. And item number 1 is a highlighting palette in the shade Copperplate. That's a font. I don't know if you know that.
She's a font genius.
My old job, that was my...
Some people are savants at playing the piano, or some people
I'm a font savant.
Yeah.
Ooh. It's got very nice packaging. So it's by... Oh, there's you!
Oh, hello.
It's by the brand Sleek Makeup. And... let's not try and wreck it. Oh, that's really pretty. So we've got 4 highlight shades. Have the name of them. Oh, and a little brush. The shades don't have names, just shade 1, shade 2. Should we swatch?
Are they shimmer, or what is that?
Highlight, like right here.
So you put a color and then highlight it with that color.
This is your highlight color.
Yeah, so you put something on and then...
No,
draw.
just this.
Oh, just
like
that.
on your cheekbones, like...
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. Should we swatch?
Sure.
Okay. So shade 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it looks like the first one's a bronzy, and then a
Pink.
very...
Like,
No, this one's kind of pink. Yeah, the third one was pinkish. Well, you don't. Yeah, so they're nice.
It's the color of my skin.
So this pink one's really nice because it's very subtle.
It kind of glitters in the...
I like all of them, but I probably wouldn't wear that shade. Maybe it's like a bronzer highlighter. So yeah, very pretty, and it catches the light really nicely.
They applied nicely.
Yeah, they did apply nicely.
Via your finger, anyways.
Yeah, I'm gonna have that on me for a while. Okay, next up, number 2 is a nice, squishy. Oh, it's called Cry Baby.
What is
It's
it?
from the Main Club. It is a 5-in-1 deep conditioner with crushed fruit. Oh, it sends crushed fruits.
For your skin?
And perfume. A junk-free formula.
For your skin or your hair?
Your hair.
Oh. So it's after shampooing thing type deal?
When your deep conditioner says repairing, but you're still broken on the inside. That's kind of fun. On the back it says, "Hey babe, turn that frown upside down. Wash your worries away and treat yourself to this conditioning pack." So I'm going to guess this is maybe 2 treatments. Probably 1
No,
if you have
that's 1. If you got long
like
hair.
me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to really get it in there.
That's exciting to try. You don't have a lot of hair, so you don't really need to have a deep condition.
Still feels good on the scalp.
It does. Yes. Well, you don't want to condition your scalp really. You want to do like the ends.
Oh, I would do my
That's the
whole
old
hair.
hair, right? Like this is new hair. This is happy, healthy hair.
Yeah, so you want to keep it happy.
Oh, I guess. Yeah.
That's my,
Makes sense.
That's my theory. All right.
I like your theories. Okay, next up. Oh, another
You have to
squishy pack.
do a break.
No, I don't.
Just do a break. It feels better that way.
Okay, I'm going to take a break. All right, item number 3 is another squishy pack. This is from the Main Club again. And this one's Bad Attitude. Sorry, I can't hear you over the volume of my hair. 5-in-1 deep conditioner. In the scent sweet and spicy. And this one was crushed fruits. And this one says, "Hey babe, will help keep your attitude and your hair in check with this conditioning pack.
Same thing? Different smells, probably?
No, they do different things. So this one is repairs, strengthens, tames frizz, conditions, and adds shine. And this one strengthens, conditions, repairs, tames frizz, and adds shine. Why does that?
Does the same thing. Except for strengthening.
Oh, they're just in different order. No strengthening's there too.
Oh, is it? Oh.
They're just in different order. But yeah, they're very pretty.
But they probably smell different. What's the 5-in-1 thing you know there?
Those are the 5 things I just listed.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
That's all right. So, that was item 2 and 3. And item number 4 is a box. What do we have? That's a stamp and drag from, Ciate London. Ooh, fancy brand. So this is a wing stamp. So you apply wing stamp on outer corner of eye and use felt tip to line the eye and join the wing. I've never done a winged eyeliner before. Look
at the picture there. That'd be your goal, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh, for like right at the corner.
Yeah,
there. You stamp that on?
Yeah. So it makes it easier than drawing it. I'm sure, especially for someone like me.
I guess it would always be symmetrical with a stamp or whatever.
Yeah. I mean, so there's the packaging. I'm very curious.
Oh, it's like double-sided.
Yeah. So there's the liner. Just do a little line. See how precise. Wow, so you can get a really precise fine line.
It's like a magic marker.
And then you can get a thicker line. That's really nice.
Does it smell like a magic marker?
And then the others. Oh wow, that's intense.
Oh, you push that on your. Okay.
So I'm gonna stamp it on my hand. That would be quite the. I guess you could do it this way. Yeah. Wow.
And then you just color in the.
So yeah, you would stamp it like out here, babe.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And then you would do your eyeliner. Lines. Yeah.
Neat.
I have never tried a winged eyeliner, but that might make it easier. So I'll have to give that a try for sure. That's a very exciting product.
That's the first one of those we've ever gotten.
It is, yeah.
Yeah.
Very fancy. Okay, item number 5 is another box from Basic Beauty. What is it? Oh, tweezers.
Oh, are they really good tweezers?
You love a good tweezer.
Yes, I do.
What do you even tweeze?
Little pieces of like metal in
Oh.
Or whatever. But are they good grabbers?
I don't know.
I'll
let you try it. I know. Okay. I know how you like your tweezers. So they're pink. They got a nice. They're
they
ridged
have to have a strong
here, so.
Yeah. Those look like for plucking hairs out though, or something. So that's probably.
Well, believe it or not, my love, I don't think that they would send tweezers to get metal fragments out. It's for your hair.
Yeah.
But you want to try it?
Yeah.
See if you like it.
Yeah, they're good and strong. The arms are nice and strong. That's what you want. And you want the ends to meet nice and squarely like that. That looks really good. These look like a good set of...
Well, there you go.
I like the strength of the arms for sure.
I'd rather
you can really grab onto stuff.
I'd rather you let me use it for my eyebrow hairs.
Yeah, that's fine.
And my mustache hairs, all my mustaches. JK, JK. But not really. Okay, so that was item number 5. Tweezers, very nice. Okay, the last item in our box is an Ico London Black Magic Mascara. Oh my, my sister and I got these in our Glossybox advent calendars, and my sister loves this mascara, and I might just be the kind of sister that just gives this to her because she doesn't love a lot of things and she doesn't get a lot of joy in her life.
Oh jeez, that's not true.
She has lots of joy in her life, but nobody ever gives her pretty things to have, so yeah. Taylor's coming your way. Except for her children and her husband, which give her all the joy in the world.
Oh, those.
But like beauty items, she doesn't ever treat herself. That's a better way to say it. She doesn't ever treat herself.
That's fair, I would think.
So there's the wand. It's got a nice curl on it. And yeah. I think she'll like this. So this is designed for after-hours seduction. Our unique brush creates drama, volume, and curl combined with an extreme carbon black water-resistant finish. So that's that. And that is all of our items. 6 items.
Are you going to go by your favorites?
I think I'm going to, yeah. All right, let's pick our favorites. Okay, let's pick our favorites, Jason.
I know.
Okay, so I'm going to go with the... What brand is this? Oh, Ciate London.
You really
Stamp and Drag.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm very excited to try that. I'm going to mess it up royally the first 10, 15
Probably
times.
everybody does. You can do it on
The
me.
highlighting palette. I can do what?
You can try it on me too.
Okay, well that might be a video people would want to watch.
Whatever.
Does anybody want to watch me test this out on my husband? I bet you do. I bet you shouldn't have said that.
Probably not.
Okay, so 1, 2, second favorite. And then the tweezers, because they're handy to have. And then the mascara, just because I know it is a good mascara. And not that I'm not excited about these, because I am. I liked everything in this box. I really did. So it was really hard to choose a favorite.
I want to try one of those. Just a little bit of it.
Okay, yeah. If you take a little bit, and then I'll save the rest for my hair. Yeah. So yeah, here is my favorites. I really like this box. Yeah. Let's see.
Really, really good box. Yeah.
What they're valued at. Oh, they give you the mini and the deluxe, like the full size prices. So that's good. They don't usually do that. This is like a new flyer. So the ICO, I shouldn't have put everything
New
away.
style flare.
Put everything back in the box. Does it say that?
No, like it's not brand new.
Oh.
Do you want me to read the prices or you?
I don't want to do it, my love. Okay, so the ICO mascara. So this one is worth $14. And then the full size is worth $26. The Ciate London Stamp and Drag Liner Duo. This is full size, $19.
That's really nice.
The Basic Beauty Tweezers, $6. That's a good
That's a good price for those
price.
tweezers. Yeah.
The Main Club Duo hair masks, $2.99 each. So
Do you rinse those out or do you leave them in?
$6. I'll leave on for 5 minutes.
Oh.
And then the Sleek Copper Plate Highlight Palette is $15, and it's also full size. So we got 2 full size items. Well, plus the tweezers, so we got 3 full size items. Not bad, not bad.
What's the full size stuff? Probably the stamp.
Oh, it says it even says here now.
Oh,
Look at that. Full size, full size, full size, full size. So we got 5 full sizes and 1 deluxe mini.
Very
So
nice.
I think this is my favorite box I've received so far. Well, let's get some prices. Okay, so Jason did the calculations.
Did the calcs.
What is it, 60?
$60, yeah.
So the retail value of our box is $60. And I want to say that the Glossybox is $20 a month American. So this is $60 American.
It's not exactly. It's still a good value for what we paid. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think we're like 30% less or something. Like our value of our dollar.
Oh yeah, I looked at today and we're at like an all-time low. It's like 69 cents or 66
Oh, really?
cents. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's crazy. So that was the March Glossybox. And I gotta say, I think that was my favorite one so far.
Mm-hmm.
I liked all the products, and that rarely happens. I like everything, and I know I'm going to use everything or give this to my sister because I think she'll appreciate that. So, thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you can do that here. Or watching more videos, you can do that here. And I would really appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye.